Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Chromebook model and Chrome OS version. This matters because drivers and settings differ. Once done, restart the device. Reboots clear temporary glitches. Next, try a simple isolation test. Plug in an external mouse. If it works, the issue is likely the touchpad hardware or settings. Then open Settings, go to Device, and make sure Touchpad is enabled. These immediate checks save time and point you toward whether we need software tweaks or physical fixes. Now you tune settings and rule out software causes. First, adjust pointer speed, sensitivity, and enable tap-to-click. Small changes often restore normal behavior. If issues started after an extension or app, remove them and test again. Make sure Chrome OS is fully updated. Outdated firmware can break touchpad drivers. If problems persist, run the built-in diagnostics or consider a power wash. This resets user data but preserves OS. These steps address most driver and configuration faults before considering. Finally, you perform hardware checks and decide on repairs. Power down, remove debris with compressed air, and look for moisture or a swollen battery pushing the touchpad. That deforms tracking. If comfortable, reseat internal touchpad connectors. Make sure to follow model-specific guides. Loose cables often cause intermittent response. Once reassembled, test in guest mode to confirm it isn't a user profile issue. If the pad still fails, seek authorized service, replacing the touchpad, or battery fixes most hardware faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.